Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find auto approval Facebook group just one click. So let's get started. All you have to do is open your Facebook app on your phone. So try to search the group. You want to search the one of the group here, for example the COODM, Call of Duty Mobile, and try to tap this group. So you can search one of the group you want to join. So this is, for example, try to search the most active. Usually the top group on here, this list is the active one. You can tap just join group, and you have to write the answer and so on. You can submit, or you can try to join another group without a answering question. Here, for example, you can join and done, it's joined. So this is, for example, the group that we without you have to answer question, you can automatically join. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.